Welcome to Real Hi-Fi Help. So, let me save you guys a lot of money. I wrote this thing down, and these are some of the best things on my channel that you guys can do to basically any gear to save you a lot of money. Let me just make it so much bigger for you guys so you don't have a problem reading it. This is really basic stuff that most people need to do, that almost no people will do in the hi-fi community. I've been saying this for so many videos, but this is where most people need to start. It's the most unsexy, uninteresting stuff that needs to be done, but having then done it, it will make all of the gear that you want to listen to. And I don't care if it's gear that I don't like. All gear in the world will react so much more when you get these basics in order. So yeah, I recommend following this guide if it's possible, so you can save so much more money. I'm telling you guys, if you do this, you can have a heavy to drive speaker, you can have a difficult room, you can have a streamer that isn't very good, or a CD player that isn't good, or a turntable that isn't good, or other things that isn't really good, and it can still sound damn good if you have this stuff in order. It's a bit time consuming, it might seem like a waste of money, but it's gonna save you over a long period of time a huge amount of money following this advice in this video. So I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe to get more content like this.